Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nessa Wally here, Jamaican living in Japan. And I've been living here for 2 years and some months, and I must say I've had some really good experiences and some not so good experience. Today I want to share with you another simple, easy Japanese food. In my previous video, I shared with you okonomiyaki, and today I want to do yakisoba. Now this is a Japanese stir-fry noodles, and it's very easy, very simple, basic, and of course I'll be putting my Jamaican touch to it. So yeah, please join me. Please stay tuned. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients that I'll be using today to make the yakisoba. I have my chicken here already seasoned. Over here I have my bell peppers, my onion, my carrot, and my cabbage. Here I have my scallion, and here is my pickled ginger. So the scallion and the pickled ginger I'll be using for my garnish. Here I have my bean sprouts, and this is the shirataki noodles. Shirataki, I think that's how it's pronounced, shirataki noodles. And here is my sauce to put on the meal when it's finished cooking. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to add some oil to the frying pan. Not much, maybe a tablespoon and a half or 2 tablespoons of oil. And later on I'll add my chicken so it can, because this is a stir fry, so you don't want too much oil. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and add my chicken to the oil. And I will come back when it is cooked and add the other ingredients. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and cut my vegetables. Slice onions and bell peppers, cut carrot into julienne sticks, and cut cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Now that the chicken is cooked, I'll go ahead and add the onions, carrot and bell peppers to the frying pan and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the bean sprouts and cabbage, and I'll let it cook until almost tender. Once the water seeps out from the vegetables, add yakisoba noodles and stir under the vegetable. Lower heat, cover, and cook for about 2 minutes. When noodles get soft and loose, keep stirring to mix with vegetables. Then, add sauce and cook for 2 minutes. When the food is cooked, serve on a plate, sprinkle with scallion, and top with pickled ginger. Okay guys, so here we have the finished product, yakisoba, Japanese stir-fry noodles. Like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please. Okay guys, bye. See you in the next one. For more information about the exact recipe, please see link in the description box below.